Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your United MileagePlus card autopay details. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your United MileagePlus account at united.com. Navigate to the Manage My MileagePlus section. Select the Payment Options tab. Find the Autopay settings link and click on it. Review your current autopay details displayed on the screen. To update your payment method, click on the Edit button. Choose the new payment method you wish to add. Enter the required information for your selected payment method. Make sure the details are accurate before proceeding. After entering the new information, click on the Save button. You will see a confirmation message indicating your autopay details have been updated. If you want to change the billing frequency, look for that option on the same page. Select your preferred billing frequency from the drop-down menu. Again, confirm your choice by clicking the Save button. You may want to log out and log back in to verify the changes. Check your email for a confirmation regarding the updates made. Your United MileagePlus card autopay details are now successfully updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.